Thank you, Mission Texas, for caring for the survivors of Hurricane Harvey here in Houston. Because you gave and your continued support keeps bringing supplies here, we're able to give these special supplies out into various areas and distribute it where it's needed the most. Your shipments to Coat of Many Colors have made a huge impact right here in Houston, and we thank you. This will all leave here quickly as we're distributing to different areas and shelters and emergency services and neighborhoods, and thank you so much for caring.
All the things that have been donated to Houstonians during Hurricane Harvey. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts to every donor who has shipped goods here, who has donated product to help in the time of need in Houston. Thank you so much.